First of all, you find your TV's 4-digit number. Here they all are. These are very important if you have to key them in. Turn on your Skybox. Find your TV's brand, which you should have already done. Press TV on your remote control. And the light should flash once. Hold down select and press the red button together. The light should blink twice. And there you go. Press TV again. Again the light just flashes once. And then key in the 4-digit code to your television. My television's a Samsung. So the 4-digit code I have to key in is 0060. 0060. And you saw the light flashes twice then. Press standby on your TV control. And your TV should turn off if the code is right. If it's right, just press select. And your TV is now tuned into your Sky remote. So you have full access to the volume. Turn the telly over. Here are the instructions, in case any of that was confusing. You want to give it a go yourself.